Hello everybody, it's Nate at Stowe Trading Systems today with a daily tip. Basically, how do we decide what exercise we do in a superset first? But first, I guess we should tell you what a superset is. So a superset is simply when you have two exercises performed back to back. So you do exercise A, rest for a certain amount of time, and then go do exercise B. Okay, so that's a superset. The factors I think about and how to choose the right exercise is what is the goal? What is the goal of the exercise? What is the goal of the superset? If the goal is to get stronger, then the first exercise in the superset will be an exercise that's going to require more effort, more strength to move. You don't want to get tired doing something else, then go try to do this exercise because you're not going to perform as well. And typically, if the goal is to get stronger, that second set will be a non-competing exercise. So if it's a lower body strength exercise, it'll be an upper body stretch, for example, or an upper body strength exercise will be paired with a lower body stretch. Okay, so that's if the goal is strength. If I have somebody that has some sort of knee pain, back pain, we're trying to work on that, then the first exercise is going to be something I call an activation exercise, where basically we want to get the mind to muscle connection going. So, for example, it might be a what's called a glute bridge, where you basically just squeeze your butt muscles really hard till you feel them working. And then I'll pair that with a lower body exercise that uses more than one joint. So, for example, maybe stepping up onto a box. So we'll do the activation exercise first, and then we'll do, since it's a lower body one, we'll do a lower body exercise where we'll cue them, hey, squeeze your glutes, so that way they'll feel their butt instead of their knees when they do a step up. So that'd be scenario 2. In a similar fashion, if I had someone who's already pretty strong and we're trying to get a certain muscle to hypertrophy more, we do that as well, where we do exercise 1, get to where it's a little bit more isolated, they could feel the muscle working, and then go into a bigger one so that we really cause some damage in hypertrophy. And that's pretty much about it. So that's my two scenarios. Either we're looking for performance on the first exercise, or the second is if we're looking for somebody who has some sort of pain. Oh, and sorry, last one is if we're trying to just get somebody's heart rate up and do conditioning, we'll go lower upper body big exercises with a timer and make sure they're moving from one to the other. So that way it's upper body, lower body, upper body, lower body. Both are big exercises. Get the heart rate up and burn a whole lot of calories. So that's the third and final one. Have a great Sunday, and I'll be back tomorrow with everybody. Take care.